even as a first aider, working independently will definitely get your brain going in terms of critical thinking and clinical thinking and reasoning, and whether or not the patient will be okay to go back to the vent or if they need further care. So it's still good practice, even with a diploma they haven't completed yet, having that first aid certificate and being putting yourself in those events and using some skills that you've learned through the diploma in a first aid situation, if applicable to your event workplace that you're at. So yeah, it all helps and it all comes together.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree with that. It gets that theory into practice and into context.
Yeah, that's it. And even just like even other first aiders or other medics, they've got some experience as well, so they can be like, hey, this is what I know, this is what I do, and if it's not this, it's this. And so they really like help apply that theory knowledge into a practical knowledge as well. And like even for myself, I wasn't really good with blood pressures, but when I was doing like St. John stuff, every opportunity there was to do a blood pressure, I'd just be on it, just so I could get that skill down pat and get it really, get more confident with it. So yeah, even as a first aider, working next to someone that's a bit more clinically high, or even just doing the basic stuff, you really get to practice and you become more and more confident. And then you go to those really big jobs or injuries or whatever, and then you're really excited. Like when I do either event work or an AMBO job, I'll get really excited and really motivated to study after something like that, because you're like, oh, that was really interesting, need to learn more about it. So you're very proactive at further learning, and then you become more motivated and you want to complete what your diploma or certificate or your degree. So yeah, it definitely gives you that little kick up the bum. So yeah.